Guys, welcome back today. So today we're gonna make French toast. So right now we are cracking 4 eggs into the milk. The recipe will be down in the description box if you'd like to make this. Right now we're just gonna mix. We're just gonna mix, put all the ingredients in and mix it. So for now, just enjoy the music. This is a heads up. If you want to put the French toast in the oven, you would have to preheat the oven to 350. We just use a little bit of butter on the non-stick pan, and we're just gonna cook the French toast on each side for 2 to 3 minutes, then flip it. This is how it will look when it's done, and then after you're done with how many French toast that you want, you can put it on a pan, and then you can put it in the oven. Just gonna finish cooking the French toast, and I'll see you when we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay guys, so now we're gonna be putting the French toast in the oven for 10 minutes. It should have been already preheated to 350. Right? So right now we are just melting the butter over the fire, which is at low right now, to drizzle over the French toast after it has been in the oven for 10 minutes. Make sure you don't burn the butter, so only melt it for 2 to 3 minutes. see, we just took out the French toast from the oven, and now we're just drizzling some of the melted butter that we did earlier onto the French toast. You can also put honey or syrup on your French toast. And right now, I am adding both honey and syrup on it, whichever you prefer. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you get a notification every time we post a new video. Also, I am always open for suggestions for what we can cook. You can comment that down. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night whenever you guys are watching this. Bye.